Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn how to update our U-WIGO and how to set a ROKU. Let's begin. To update our U-WIGO, we will go to the U-WIGO Connect app on our device. We will go to the zones, and for this case, we will go to the zone called Home. And in each zone, you can see there are 3 dots. This dot is the menu that we're going to select now. And we will see different options. We will have the first option that is on and off LED light. We are going to try that one. Right now, the U-WIGO has the light off. We will turn it back on now. As you can see, it's on. We will go back to the menu and we will see another option. This time is how to get the temperature and humidity of the zone that you are on, or whether the U-WIGO is on. We will select there, and in our notifications, we will see the temperature. Next, we will have update your U-WIGO. We will select on it, and immediately it will start to change colors, the U on your U-WIGO. This means it's updating, so we will wait for it to finish. And as you can see, now it's turned back to the U-WIGO color. And the next option is to delete the zone, and that's it. That's how you can update your U-WIGO. How to add a ROKU. First, we will go to our U-WIGO Connect app, and then we will select the zone where we would like to have the ROKU. In this case, we are going to have it on the zone called Home. Then we will click on Device, and we will go to IoT, which is Internet of Things, is the last one from top to bottom. And we will have Universe, ROKU, and Ecobee. We will select ROKU. And in the screen, it will appear the number identification for the ROKU device that we would like to select for this zone. It's important that this information matches with the information that is on your ROKU that you can set up in your TV and check it. Once this is done, we will click on it, and that's it. That's how you can add a ROKU device. Thank you very much.